Fasting goals, understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into the meaning and usage of the phrase, fasting goals. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner of English, understanding such phrases can really enhance your language skills. So, let's get started. Fasting is primarily associated with the act of not eating or drinking for a specific period of time. It's often done for religious reasons, health purposes, or as a form of protest. In English, the word can be used in various contexts, and we'll explore some of these today. The term goals refers to the aims or objectives that a person wants to achieve. These can be short-term or long-term and are used in many different contexts, from personal development to professional achievements. When we combine these words into the phrase, fasting goals, we're talking about the objectives or aims someone sets while planning a fast. This can include the duration of the fast, the type of fast, and the reason behind it, whether it's for health, spiritual, or other reasons. Let's look at some examples. 1. Health context. My fasting goal is to do intermittent fasting for 16 hours a day to improve my metabolism. 2. Spiritual context. During this religious period, my fasting goal is to abstain from food and drink from sunrise to sunset. Understanding phrases like fasting goals can really add depth to your English comprehension and usage. We hope this video has been informative and helps you in your English language learning journey. Stay tuned for more, and happy learning!